Before I tell you how I made meditation a habit again, you need to meet the reason I kept failing. Let me introduce you to Dim. Hello. Dim says he has no time, but somehow he always has time to scroll. When he does try, he meditates with music on, Instagram open, and thinks he should be perfect on day one, and gets frustrated the moment his mind drifts away. To him, meditation is a chill pill, not a tool for clarity and focus. And the real problem? Dim has no idea how to build habits that actually stick. But we don't want to live the life like Dim does. We want clarity. We want the mindfulness we get through meditation. So let me tell you a story about the key points I found out while meditating for 1 year straight. I was working at a childcare place and I was 17. So by law, I had to have a break of 45 minutes. But they couldn't give me the 55 minutes in like one break. So they split it up in two. One 30-minute break and one 50-minute break. And that 50-minute break was too short to work on my business that I had at that time. So the only real thing I had time for was meditation. To put this in perspective, I had a fixed time where I meditated and I had a fixed place where I meditated at the same time. So I was in the room on a couch, and that was my specific time and place where I meditated every workday. And then I did this very consistently for like 1 year straight. But now that I don't work there anymore, it was like about 3 years ago. Of course, I stopped meditating because I didn't have the set time and the set place. So now I want to try to recreate this situation where I have a fixed time and a fixed place, or to put it better in perspective, a specific situation. 3 years ago, it was my 50-minute break. Now I need to find a new setup where I can do that. And I already thought about a few spots where I have a fixed time and a fixed spot. That would be before the gym, in my car, after the gym, in my car, before I go to work. So I drive to my workplace and just sit in the car and meditate there. And when I come home from work and meditate in my car. I specifically want to use my car as a meditation place. It's the sole reason that in my room there are so many distractions. My family is here. I mean, my PC where I gamed when I was younger, where I sleep. So I don't want to cramp it in here where I have so many other things to do in here. So I really want to build my room as a workplace and my car to a meditation place. Like I can just sit there and meditate. So that is the goal I'm having right now. I also want to use a technique I learned from Atomic Habit. It's called habit stacking. Some of you know what habit stacking is, some of you don't. Just to explain it real quick, you want to have a fixed habit that you're already doing and stack a new habit onto it. I do this with the gym. I'm going to gym around like 4 months consistently now. And I want to stack a habit of meditation before or after it. So a fixed place, a fixed time of the day is my gym. And I want to stack on top of it meditation, even before or after the gym. So that is the plan. And then let's go to day one and see what time is the best for me.
So it's still so it's day one of trying to meditate for every day, or get the habit back to meditate every day. Right now I'm at the gym, so I'm sitting in my car right now and I'm gonna try to meditate about like 1, 2, 3 minutes. How long I'm able to do, I don't know. I'm trying it. So I just finished my first set of meditation. It's kind of weird sitting for the gym. Like, it's still dark outside, as you can see, but it's still pretty weird just to sit in the car and meditate when you're about to get like ready, you're pumped, you have like good music playing, you know, and you just sit down and calm down again. It's a bit weird. That's one of the four available spots that I thought about trying to meditate daily. So yeah, we're gonna see. I just finished my workout, so I'm gonna try like doing it after the workout to try to meditate. So let's try it. So I just finished meditation after my workout in the gym. I'm sitting in my car again, I will give you feedback when I'm home.
So that was the first day of meditating. I did 3 out of 4 times. The last one, like after work, I didn't do. I just really forgot, to be honest. And I really liked, from all of them, I really liked the one before the gym the most, because if I have enough time to go to the gym, I always have like a minimum of 5 minutes to meditate at least. So I'm gonna stick with the meditation before going to the gym. The rest of the week, I meditated every single day except Saturday. That's because I didn't go to the gym that day. And that's the only flaw that I found out when I picked my gym as an anchor. But it's okay because I have a fixed morning routine that I can count on. But if you don't have a good morning routine that you are able to stick to, you can anchor your habit to something far more stable, like brushing your teeth or directly meditating after you woke up. And if you want to create a morning routine that actually sticks, I'll link the video in the description on how to do that. And remember, try and fail, but never fail to try. See you in the next one. Bye bye.